Scene 1, John's home.
Hello everyone, my name's John. Do any of you have pets? I'm sure you do, and I'm sure they bring you great pleasure. Well, I have a pet, and here it is. This is my parrot Percy. Percy is a very clever animal. He can talk.
Hello everyone, hello everyone.
Unfortunately, when he speaks, he's often very unfriendly. That's why I've asked him to really be good today, because Uncle Henry and Auntie Sophie are coming to visit. They are very nice pupils, and I don't want to upset them.
Ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ah, here they are. Remember, Percy, behaved.
Percy, good boy, good boy.
Hi, John. Hi, John. Good to see you.
Hi.
Get lost your monkey faces.
Percy, stop that or I put you in the cupboard.
Oh, get lost your idiots.
Percy, into the cupboard with you.
Help, help. Call the police, call the police.
Scene 2, 2 days later.
That was bad, wasn't it? But Percy must have learned his lesson. Tonight I'm expecting a visit from my boss and his wife. There is no way I want them to hear any rude words. Come out, Parrot. Come out.
Thanks, John, thanks.
Ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ah, here they are. Remember, Percy, behaved.
Percy, good boy, good boy.
Hi, John. Hi, John. Good to see you.
Hi, come right in.
Get lost your stinkers.
Percy, stop that or I put you in the wardrobe.
Oh, get lost your dirty pigs.
Percy, into the wardrobe with you.
Help, help. Call the police, call the police.
Scene 3, 2 days later.
That was horrible, wasn't it? Percy's not going to be bad next time. I hope so. Because tonight I'm expecting a visit from Lady Windermere. She's a friend of the Queen. And if Percy uses any rude words, I might get into serious trouble. Come out, Parrot. Come out.
Thanks, John, thanks.
Ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ah, here she is. Remember, Percy, behaved.
Percy, good boy, good boy.
Hi, John, my dear.
Hello, Lady Windermere. Come right in.
Get lost, your old stupid lady.
Percy, stop that or I put you in the freezer.
Oh, get lost, your idiot.
Percy, into the freezer with you.
No, no, it's cold there. It's cold there.
Scene 4, half an hour later.
Oh, I think I have to take the parrot out. Come out, Parrot.
I am freezing.
Then don't use bad words when you talk to my friends.
All right, I promise. Never again, John. Never again.
Good.
But can I ask you a question?
What is it, Parrot?
There's some frozen chickens in the freezer.
So what?
Well, you put them there, right?
Of course I did.
Then please tell me.
Tell you what?
Well, those poor chickens, what did they say to your friends? Were they as rude as I was? Did they also call your friends stinkers, idiots, and so on?
That stupid parrot, I can't believe.